Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Transformation T. Today I have a beginner-friendly workout for you working that biceps, the triceps, and your back. So for my warm-up, I am hopping on the assisted pull-up machine. This machine really targets our back, biceps, a little bit of triceps, our deltoids, which are in our shoulders, all of the muscles that we will really be targeting. We want to make sure they're nice, they're warm, and they're ready to go. So the first exercise we're going to do is on the seated row machine. This move works your back, a little bit of your shoulders, your triceps, and your biceps. Really quickly, I want to talk about form because form is everything. So when you pull back, I want you to think about squeezing your shoulder blades together as if you have a pencil or even a penny in between them. When you're using this grip, it's important to keep your elbows close to your side, pulling straight back with only your upper body. I see a lot of people that when the weight is too heavy, they start to use their momentum. And while technically you're doing the move, you're cheating yourself out of a good upper body workout because, again, you're using your momentum. So really focus on pulling with just your upper body. And that is the proper form. It's a pet peeve. Okay, let's keep it going. So for the next move, I am using the same bench that we were just on, and I am doing the classic tricep dip. This move works our triceps and a little bit of our shoulders. So what I'm doing is extending my feet and bending my arms to a 90-degree angle and really thinking about lifting with my arms, aka my triceps, which is the back of your arms. It is really important that you think of lifting with your arms versus lifting with your body. However, if you need to make this exercise easier, you can go ahead and bring your knees into a 90-degree angle and do the same move from that position. That will take some weight off and make the move easier. Now for our next move, we are doing an overhead shoulder press using a barbell. For this move, I would like you to stand with your feet a little bit wider than shoulder width apart and grab the bar and lift it above your head. For this move, I would like you to keep your back nice and sturdy. Think about keeping your core, your stomach nice and tight and really lifting with your shoulders. If you feel like your back is wobbling around, I would like you to go down and wait so that you don't get injured during the process. So here I am doing a bicep curl on the cable machine. I'm standing a couple steps away from the machine, keeping my elbows pinched to my sides, and I am thinking about solely lifting with my biceps, which is the front part of your arm. Really engaging my biceps, engaging my core, my stomach, and again, keeping my body nice and sturdy so that I don't build momentum, so that I'm getting the most out of my workout. And for the last and final move, we are doing another form of a bicep curl. We are still keeping our elbows pinched to our sides, but this time we are turning our hands away from our body. This is called a lateral bicep curl, keeping the same form, keeping that same sturdy upper body, keeping our core, our stomach still engaged, and still keeping that nice form. With that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe. You know what to do. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!